Today I'm going to be doing something I have never done before. Ever in my life. And I'm really terrified to do right now, but we're going to do it because why not? I'm going to cut my own hair. I have been wanting to get my hair cut for a long time, and I was putting it off for a long time because haircuts can be expensive, especially for people with curly hair and people with long curly hair at that. And my hair is really long. I'll try and insert a picture right now. Yes, my hair is that long. It's really long, and I just want to cut off the ends. That's really all I want. And I just had been neglecting cutting it for so long, and then the quarantine happened, and now I'm really stuck because I don't know when the quarantine will end. So I'm just gonna cut my hair, and I hope that it comes out okay, and we'll see what happens. I learned how to do this from Vanessa on YouTube. She does this double unicorn DIY haircut tutorial, and it's really cool. I'll link it below if you guys are curious. Let's get to it. I just have to soak my hair again right now. I just actually took a shower, but I had to go film an audition right now, so did not get to cut my hair. I was gonna film this earlier, but it didn't happen. Anyway, let's get this hair. Let's do this. Let's wet this hair down and see what happens. Now that I have taken this down, you can see my hair is very long. Look, you can see it in that mirror right there. It needs to get trimmed. Just the ends. That's all I want to do is get these ends out of there. I'm so nervous about cutting my hair, guys. But we're gonna do it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so now my hair is wet, and I don't like this feeling, but we're going to keep going because I have to. Okay. So now we're going to comb our hair all the way through. I'm using a brush because I'm just gonna use a brush. I already combed it through in the shower, and I don't want to use a comb again. It hurts. Okay. Y'all, I have a knot problem. Brush a little forward. I just want to make sure it's evenly combed all the way through, because if not, I'm gonna have a weird haircut. Guys, I'm so nervous. I can't believe I'm doing this. So we're gonna put it into a hair tie. You guys, my hair is so long. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is the longest. This is the longest I think I've ever had my hair in my life. The only reason I hate wet hair is because I hate it getting everywhere, and I hate the water getting everywhere. It's annoying to me. I also need to keep my hair wet because this is how it works. Okay, so I got nervous, so I'm combing my hair again as a stalling tactic. Ow. Okay. Now I brought out the comb, okay? For all you curly hair people who know combs are better. I do think it's more detangled now because it hurts. We're gonna detangle this part again. Just to make sure. I'm like nervous, making sure that it's center forehead. Okay. We're gonna stick this in another ponytail, so another hair tie. Here comes the double unicorn part. Oh my gosh, my hair is so long. It's like as long as the door frame, the top of the door frame. Look at this. Look. Oh my gosh, I think it's longer than the door. No, it's not. No, it's not. Thank God. That would have been insane. Look at that. It needs time for a cut. Whether this works out or not, it doesn't matter. It was time. I'm just fastening another hair tie to the end of my hair here. How long has it been since I got my hair cut? Let me tell you. It's been about 2 years, which is way too long. I just get really excited about spending my money on other things, like food. Now that we put our hair in this little hair tie, see, it's right here, right there. Now it's time for the moment of truth. So I borrowed some scissors from my boyfriend. These are by Equinox International. You can get them on Amazon. Oh my gosh, I'm cutting my hair. This is so crazy, guys. I've never cut my hair in my entire life. I can do this. Okay. Okay. Now she just cuts it straight through, like, don't even care. Man, having this thing in front of your head though, like, really messes with your perception. See, she cut it like all the way up here. I'm not cutting, that's too much hair to cut, y'all. I'm gonna cut right here, like right there, and hope for the best in my life. Just do it, Stephanie. So nervous. Okay. Okay, if it's uneven, it's okay. I'm just gonna have to deal with that. Oh, it's gone. Oh, okay. I think I need to straighten it out a little bit. But wow, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. I have so much freaking hair, dude. Okay. Now she says to thin it out. So she does this thing where she like kind of thins out the end so it's not so bulky at the end. And my hair comes out like poop. I'm sorry to myself. I've lost about an inch of hair so far. It's really not much because my hair is still really freaking long. Next, I need to take these hair ties out and comb my whole head out just in case to make sure that I did not miss any pieces and did not completely kill my hair already. We're gonna see what it all turned out to look like. I mean, it doesn't look terrible. The next order of business here on the Haircut Express is now I'm gonna like part my hair like half up, half down style, but I'm going to secure the bottom also so I don't get any of that bottom part of the hair. I just have to make sure that it's even. However I do it, it needs to go evenly along the back of my head because otherwise I'm gonna look like a scarecrow. My hair gets dry really quickly because it's unhealthy. So I just got this Seg Beauty spray bottle. Yes, I got this on Amazon. I was very excited about it because it is like a lasting mister, like a spray bottle, spray mister thing. Okay, so it's gonna like, oh, I love these. I just feel like they wet my hair in a nicer way. Now we gotta comb this thing out again. Now we're gonna repeat that unicorn thing that we did before. Another hair tie at the end of the hair again. We're gonna comb this out again because make sure it's combed through so that when you're cutting, it actually cuts all the bits of your hair. Quarantines are for experimenting on yourself. Self-discovery, right? Look at me, I'm a unicorn. Oh! So this time she said you need to cut up. So like, I guess that way because these bits here are like the front parts of your hair, supposedly. If you did this hair thing correctly, we should probably do that again. Now that I'm thinking about this. Like don't twist your hair as you're doing this because otherwise you're gonna cut the wrong part. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it going that way so that, and at an angle so that the back parts of my hair are longer than the front bits. This is hard. This is really hard to do because I can't see. Cut. Ah! Okay. I really hope this turned out okay because if it didn't, I'm gonna be so sad. Let's look at this. Okay, so it's a little bit off. I'm gonna trim little bits of it like she did the last time too, so that it's not such a blunt cut. So I'm just cutting the little bits of the ends right here. So now I'm gonna continue taking this little hair tie out of here. But first, I just wanna comb this through to make sure I didn't actually kill my hair or my sadness of doing my hair. Ow. Knots, I hate you. I mean, honestly, so far, pretty happy. I actually really like this, guys. Okay, let's see what this looks like, guys. So far, I'm really digging this haircut, actually. Is it even? No, not totally, but it's something. I'll give you a closer look here at the wet version of it, and then later I will show you what it looks like when it's dry. But so far, these are the little front end areas. That's how short it gets. When it's curly, it'll probably be about there. I mean, overall, I'm not too angry about it. It's less string at the ends than it was before, which I'm grateful for. My hair used to be right here, basically right here. And it's almost still, nope, it's still basically at my butt. That's even after cutting my hair, guys. Oh my gosh. My hair is just really long, but this is what it looks like from the back. Just so you guys can see. Hope you guys can see. Look at that booby, just kidding. So, this is the finished product. Let's show it off. Here. Okay, I'm gonna tilt down so you can see. This is how it looks. I think it's a little bit longer on this side. I mean, I don't know if it's actually parted correctly in the back, but it's so long still. But it's a good little trim. I mean, it feels healthier actually. Just even cutting off that bit feels so much healthier. I'm grateful that it's done. But yeah, if you guys do this, please tag me. I'd love to see how your hair came out. I hope that it goes well. If you do this and you're a kid, please make sure you have an adult or a parent present that approves and is helping you through the process. And I wish you guys the best of luck during these crazy quarantine hair days. Keep at it, keep going forward, and yeah. I can't wait to cut my hair again now that I've done it once. I'm kind of addicted. We'll see how short my hair is by the end of this quarantine. See you guys, thanks for watching.